Hi dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And keep this in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. So this is a reading from today till the 10th of September, and let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Sagittarius. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Hermit, you could be dealing with a Virgo here. I'm getting Hermit card lots of the time. Many of the times I'm getting the Hermit card again and again in my readings. I don't know why. Because I feel like everyone right now is on a healing journey or going within to seek answers and all this. Okay. So your partner right now is silent and they are trying to look for answers from within themselves. Okay. They are trying to seek help from the universe. They are trying to be like, yes, I will go inside instead of outside, and I will see what is happening. Okay, I will seek answers from within. They are being very silent with you and might be acting weird with you. Okay, let's see Sagittarius, what is happening with them. Let's clarify. So it is clarified by the Strength card, the Six of Wands, and Two of Pentacles. Okay, so yeah, again the Strength card is like you could be dealing with a Leo here. So this person right now is very silent. They are acting courageous. They are hiding their true feelings, trying to conceal their feelings, and they feel like they should do something in their life. Okay, they feel like they should do something in their life. They should get some kind of recognition or awards or rewards. I feel like they're focusing. They're trying to focus on their work life, and they have some kind of opportunities in their way, two opportunities on their way, and they are feeling like, yes, I should work harder and harder and harder to get something in my life. I should get some kind of name and fame and stability in my life. Then I will open up. Okay, then I will open up. This is their plan right now. That's why right now I feel like this person is very silent. Let's see what is happening with you guys, Sagittarius. Your current energy right now is Sagittarius. Your current energy right now is, let's see. Let's see. Seven of Pentacles. I feel like you're waiting for something to happen very eagerly. I feel like you have done everything that you could. Now you're just waiting for the results. Might be, it could be results of, your job or interview or something like that. Or it might be waiting for somebody to come towards you, come back towards you, or come again towards you. But this is some kind of waiting game here. You're waiting for something to happen, and that too from a very long time. And you're not like waiting just like that. You are very eagerly waiting for that. Okay, let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. Let's see. Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. Nine of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the Devil. Okay, I feel like you're waiting for a reconciliation, and that was a very toxic relationship that you were in. Okay, but you feel like you were really happy with them. Okay, I feel like you're waiting for a wish fulfillment, and your wish fulfillment is to restart or have a uh, have a start with somebody. You have a start with somebody, could be dealing with a Capricorn, with whom you felt like the past was toxic. Are you getting my point? So Sagittarius, it's a very difficult situation right now that you are in. You are just waiting for something to happen. You are feeling like this will be a wish fulfillment, like this person, the past person, the toxic past will come to you, and that will be no longer toxic. How could it be possible? And this is your wish fulfillment. You feel like, I will be really happy if this person will come back to me, and we will have a restart in this connection. Although the past was toxic, I still feel like I should have a chance with them. I should take the risk with them again. And you feel like they will magically change for you. No, it's not happening, sweetie. You are just waiting for them to change. Okay, and be a good person, and this connection to be very beautiful and positive and healthy. You are waiting for this to happen, Sajis. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Let's see. Ace of Pentacles. Again, I'm feeling like this person wants to have a restart with you, but they want a stable connection, a stable and mature and very very down to earth connection, a mature connection, mature option. I feel like might be you guys are working together, and that's why I'm getting pentacles again and again here. Two of pentacles in their energy, seven of pentacles in your energy, and the ace of pentacles again in their feelings for you. They want to have a brand new beginning with you. They want to start a brand new beginning with you, but on a mature level, and they just want to have a start with you. I can't say it is a commitment, or it is kind of love offer or something. They want to restart this connection with you. Okay, let's clarify the ace of pentacles as their feelings for you, Sagittarius. King of pentacles, lots of, oh my god, queen of pentacles, the moon. It's they feel like you have somebody else in your equation, or you have somebody else that you are dealing with right now, okay, and they're very very fearful about that. So Sagittarius, you could be dealing with the Pisces here. They are fearful. It's all about money, honey. I feel like there's lots of money involved. Either you took money from them, or they took money from you, or both of you might be are just planning to have a stable future separately, not together. Separately, you guys are focusing more on the money aspect of your life. But what they feel for you, I feel like they feel like you have another person in your equation, another person in your life, and you are very very stable and happy with them, and they are very very scared of this situation. They are creating some kind of negative situation in their mind, and they are feeling like, yes, you are dealing with somebody else and you are doing good in your life, you're really happy with them. You are right now dealing with a person who is making you feel mature and stable, and might be you guys are committed to each other. So they are right now in a very very fearful situation right now, and that's why I feel like this person wants to restart this connection with you to check out if you're available, and if you are ready to mingle with them again. That's why I feel like this person wants to connect with you, because they feel like you have somebody else also, okay, with whom you are connected. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Ace of Swords again. They feel Ace of Pentacles for you. They want Ace of Swords with you. They want to cut out the toxicity, the negativity, whatever happened in the past. They want this past to remain in the past, and they want to have a brand new beginning. They want to have big victorious and successful beginning with you in this connection, okay? They want to restart this connection again with you, and this time they want to be successful and victorious with you in this connection. They don't want this connection to fail again. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords. Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and the Five of Wands. Eight of Pentacles in reverse actually. So I feel like this person wanted to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side, but they are trying to control their emotions. They are like, why should I go to them? They should come to me. I feel like they are going to fight with you, okay? This is the situation here, and what they want from you, they want to put in the effort, put in the energy. They want you to put in the effort and put in the energy in this connection. They want you to be clear and honest with yourself, clear and honest about this relationship with yourself and with them, and they want you to stop the fight. They want you to stop the fight and stop the conflicts, okay? Cut out all the fights, cut out all the negativity, cut out all the toxicity, and just try to work on this connection. So this card in reverse, I feel like they feel like there's a blockage in this connection with them and you, and that's why they feel like you should just work on the blockage, just remove the blockage and restart this connection again after cutting out all the toxicity, after cutting out all the conflicts. This lady is literally cutting out all the fights, okay? They want you to cut out the fight, to cut out all the toxicity, all the negativity, and restart this connection. They want to be successful and victorious with you in this connection this time. They don't want it to fail this time, okay? This is what they want. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see what is coming towards you till 10th of September. Let's see what is coming towards you till 10th of September. Let's see. Sorry. Five of Pentacles, okay. I feel like this reconciliation is not happening till 10th of September. Not happening till 10th of September. I feel like either you or them. I feel like one of you will walk away, because you will feel like, no, I'm not ready for this connection, and I just don't want to restart. I just don't want the same mess again. But trust me, you're just waiting for them. You're just waiting for them. You're just waiting for the toxic past to become a positive one, okay, in the present situation. It is the situation here. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles. as a potential outcome for you. You might feel like you are left alone again, or they betrayed you again, or they did the same thing again, or they are not the right person for you, or they just don't deserve you. This kind of feelings you are going to get. Eight of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the King of Wands. Okay. I feel like you guys will have a very, very long conversation regarding this particular connection. And I feel like you guys are going to talk about the past a lot. Talk about the past a lot, and you guys are going to feel like, yeah, we had lots of passion, but where is the love? Where is the love? I feel like there's lack of love in this connection. Although I feel like mentally you guys are connected with each other, or might be physically also you guys were very, very connected to each other, but where is the love, Sagittarius? Okay, and that's why I feel like might be you are going to reconnect with this person, but you are going to feel like no, this is not love. You're not going to feel the love. Okay, this is the situation here. So that's why you might feel like left out, or you might feel like you are broken again and you are not on the same energy as this person is right now. Okay, so this is the Five of Pentacles, and that is clarified by the Eight of Wands and the Six of Cups and the King of Wands. Back and forth communication, lots of communication I can see that, and you guys are going to discuss about the past situation a lot, and might be you guys are going to fight about the past situation a lot. And again I feel like there will be like, where is the love? We don't love each other, we don't have emotions for each other. Okay, this is going to be the situation. So either you or them, they both of you are going to feel like betrayed or backstabbed or left out in the cold or something like that, something negative. Okay, so might be the situation will improve in the coming time. We will see in the next video. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you. Namaste. Bye.